Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi, and what do? I'm a digital marketing consultant and I help entrepreneurs with their businesses growth, and I give tips on passive income, and I also have a mommy premium class that is going up now on affiliate marketing. Do you want to make money regularly? Are you tired or you don't have anything you're doing and you want to make money through affiliate marketing, or you want to join my Canva Academy class? Why not go to my description and sign up for my class or sign up for your slot so you don't miss the section. It's a paid one, so thank you for your support. My main topic for today is how to sell Canva templates online. I'm sure a lot of people will be, you want to make money through Canva templates? Then stick to this channel and watch till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main tutorial for today. So once again I welcome you to my channel TechwithBunmi, and our topic is how to sell Canva templates online, the do's and the don'ts of selling template, because you don't want to get sued for using somebody else's templates. Okay, so watch this to the end and don't forget to drop your comments and like this video and also share to your loved ones. Okay, so my first thing I will be telling, the first rules I'll be telling you before we go into the main topic of today is the policy of Canva. Okay, to know about the policy of Canva, you need to go to, I'll put the link in the description box, www.canva.com/policy/content license agreement. I'll put the link in the description box, and you see this place. Let me highlight it for us. Number 4, it says all content on Canva is protected by United States and international copyright. Canva and its contributors reserve all rights that aren't explicitly given to you under this license. That include all copyright and intellectual properties rights, intellectual property rights. So this indirectly is saying that you don't have right to use Canva templates on Canva to sell. So it's advisable to start from the scratch to sell your products. Advisable to start from the scratch and create your design and sell your products. Okay, another terms and conditions that I can find here also is our property rights. Okay, so this is well explanatory. It says except for the user's content you provide to Canva, all materials on the service are exclusively owned by us or our licensors. Don't steal any of the content that is helping you make fantastic designs. So you don't want to make that mistake, right? So that's why I'm here for us. So don't make the mistake. So if you want to make your template from the scratch, if you want to make your templates to sell, because a lot of people are selling templates and it's part of the digital product, I will encourage you to start earning income for yourself. You can make huge amount of money selling templates. Okay, so do not miss out the license. You have to create it from the scratch in a blank page. So now my next section is where to sell your templates. Okay, where to sell your templates. Number 1, I would say you sell your templates, you create your own store. Okay, if you can create your store, you create your store by having a website. And if you don't have a website, a lot of people are making this mistake. You can create a Google My Business store. You can sell your stuff on Google My Business if you don't have the huge amount to create a website on your own. And you can also create a free website using Canva. I have tutorials on that. You can create a website using Canva. And another way you can also put your products online is GetResponse. It has a website, inbuilt website that you can also create your website on it. So I've given us 3 ideas, and if you need further steps on this, you can book for my one-on-one section and I would put you through. Okay, so you create your store, and if you create your store, is either you do a paid ad and direct traffic to your store for people to purchase your products or your templates on your website. And the second one is you open an ST shop. You open a shop on marketplace. Okay, there are 2 shops you can open on marketplace. You can either open in ST or st.com, or you open in creative marketplace. So I'll be showing you how it works, the type of Canva template you can sell on st.com and creative marketplace. So now this is ST. If you type Canva templates, it will give you different types of templates. A lot of people are selling templates in bundle. Most of these templates are in bundle, so I will advise you to also create your templates in bundle. You can create an Instagram post or story template. You can create custom IG templates subscription. You can create a lot of templates. You can create. Okay, you can create a course or workbook, ebook workbook template. You can create a Canva website template, and you can see how much you can charge for a bundle. It's always good to have a lot of templates and you sell in bundles. Okay, and you can customize branding bundles also. So now let's go to markets. Let's go to creative marketplace. So now this is creative marketplace, and let me type Canva templates. I'm just giving us ideas on what you can sell on with Canva. Okay, so you can do your own research. Okay, you can sell Instagram educational post pack, coaching Instagram Canva bundle. You can sell 4-in-1 course creator bundle, and you can sell social media Instagram bundle. Okay, and as you can see, you can sell IG social. A lot of us are finding it difficult to post on social media, so why not create something and you can share like a course creator Canva template kit. Okay, lead magnet toolkit. Also, it's several things. You can get your ideas on either creative marketplace or st.com. Okay, and for you to be able to sell on ST. Now let's go back to ST. If you want to sell your product on ST, if you scroll down, let me go back. Yeah, if you scroll down, you will see sell on ST. You follow the terms and conditions. You look at it well, and the good thing is that they already have their customers. They already have, so people will definitely search for you. And if your product is good, you automatically can start selling your product. And for the creative marketplace, if you scroll up, it will tell you to open a shop. Okay, if you want to put your store, your digital products or your template, if you want to sell on either ST, you open a shop. And before you can open a shop on creative marketplace, because they are very strict of who they accept into their marketplace, is you need to have a portfolio. So you have good designs, you have good portfolio for yourself before you can actually sell on creative marketplace. Okay, so now what do you actually sell? Okay, what do you want to sell? What do you actually want to sell? You sell Canva template, because this topic today is about Canva template. So now this brings me to this business card template I created long time ago. Okay, I created this template. So if you need some template from me, you can get in touch with me for your templates, and you can also create yours. Okay, so these are the templates I made on business card. They are all business card templates. There are also digital products you can also look into, and you can search on ST and marketplace for st.com or creative marketplace for ideas for yourself. Okay, so now let's do some trials there. I'll be giving us, I already did the template already. So, and you want to sell to your customers, you want to sell to your clients. So I'll be doing something like this. Let me remove this. So now I already, because of my time, I already set everything up. So you're going to sell to your client like this, to create something like this, a cover page, and you can change the front if you want, and you can leave it like that. So now the second page goes like this. You put the Canva, the business card template topic, and I want to duplicate this. I want to duplicate this. I want to duplicate this. Okay, for my use. So I'll do it like this. So I think I'm going to duplicate more. Two more. Yeah. I'm going to duplicate this. So you can create as many links as you want. How did I get to this? I went to text and I put my text. You can change the font if you want. You can change the colors if you want. And I changed the font, and at the end of the day, I clicked on this, I went to effects, and I went to background, and I scroll up to change the color. Okay, and I changed the color to this. I think it's lighter. I changed the color to the lighter ash color. So that is that about that. So I want to put my link. I want to share my link to I want to share my link to the customer I will be sending this to, because it's always advisable also to have at least 100 templates so you can sell them in bundles. So you put the list like this. So now I have this. Let's start from number 1. And note, Canva, as a last year, Canva, the template was not free. It was only for Canva Pro. Okay, but this year Canva has made it open to the free version and the pro version of Canva to be able to use the templates. And if you are selling a template, I would advise you to create free fronts and free any of the free designs, because if you use any pro design and you sell it as templates to your customers, the customer would be forced, or yeah, would be forced to upgrade before he or she can use the template you created. So it's always advisable to use your free fronts or your free designs when you want to sell templates. So you go to share, and I will click on templates link, and this is my link. I'm going to copy it here, and I will come here, and I will click on link. I already have it. So tech lovers, I already numbered it. So it's going to be easier for us. So I'm going to do something like this now. Be sharing the link. So you go to share, and you go to templates. Anyone with the link, no. So anyone with the link can edit, right? But we want a template. So this is our template, and we'll copy it, and we'll come to this place. Remember, I did copy and paste, so I'll be removing this to put the new one. Okay, so I'm going to 4 and 5. So you can make you can make up to 10 up to 100 bundles, 100 templates to put in one, and you send to your customers. So this is another one. I'm going to click template link. There is different, so you have to watch the link you're sending to your customers. Okay, so I come to number 4, and I come to this place. I click on link. Remember, I did copy and paste. I duplicated the top. So I'm going to put the new link, and that's it. So I will do number 5 for the purpose of these tutorials. I'll do the last one, and I'm going to share and click on the template link, copy it, and I would come here. I will come here and edit. I put the new link. Okay, so and you can customize this if you want. This is just for the tutorials purpose. You can customize it. You can put your logo. You can design it the way you want, but for the purpose of this class, this is what I did. So then you can put thank you for your patronage, or you can just write thank you. And if you have other digital product that you have, you can list it here. And also you can also market your other social media by the head or down it. Then you come to this place and would so now I'm going to download. I'll download all these 3 pages. I'll download everything. I'll download as PDF standard. Okay, I'll download as PDF standard. So this is how it's going to look like. If I'm going to print, send it to a printer, look no further, get it professional printer. I'm not printing anything. I'm not printing, but just I'm not printing. So this is my digital download. Can you see? This is a PDF. So I'm going to send this PDF to the customer. So if you see, I'm going to, can you see? It says a template created by Elizabeth was shared with you. Start designing now. So you can see, and you start designing. You can design, you can do whatever thing you want with this design. So that's how it works. So I hope you gained something from this class. If you gained something, why not subscribe, like, and share this video? Because of our time, I will just, you can see the and everything is clickable. You make sure that it's clickable, everything is clickable. So, and that is it. Even if I want to add this two as clickable to put my link, I can also make it clickable. Okay, by following the examples I gave, adding your link to this, you can also add your link to this YouTube and Instagram. But I didn't do that. I only put the logo, and you can search for this on either Instagram or YouTube. So I hope you get something from this video. So why not subscribe, join the tech family, and if you're looking for passive income and you want to make money through affiliate marketing and you want to attend my Canva academic school, then subscribe to the link and sign up in the description. It's a paid class, so pay for it and we get started with you. So see you in my next video. Bye for now, and don't forget to watch my other videos. Thank you.